fifth product on this list is the Maxi-Cosi Pria. Are you searching for a convertible car seat that fits newborns and accommodates children up to 100 pounds? Look no further. This is the safest bet for your family. This 3-in-1 all-in-one car seat serves as a comprehensive travel system for your child and boasts a unique 3-in-1 design that caters to both rear-facing and forward-facing needs. The innovative Air Protect system ensures superior side impact protection through Air Protect side cushions. Additionally, the patterned shell and head support design ensures a secure fit and optimal comfort. Moreover, this convertible car seat offers adjustable headrests, an easy-to-use safety buckle, quick adjust harness, and one-click latch connectors, all contributing to superior safety when your little one is on the go. The materials used are durable, yet the seat remains lightweight, making it easy to transport between vehicles. This travel system provides a complete solution for all your baby's needs from birth through their preschool years. Trust in its true side impact protection. An easy latch system, allowing you to rest assured that your child will be safe and comfortable. Its pros are: it has 3 different modes, a rear-facing car seat, a forward-facing car seat, and a belt positioning booster. The headrest and harness system move together as part of the quick-fit shoulder harness system, and it grows with your child and is rated safe for use by itty-bitty babies as well as toddlers. However, it is a bit on the heavy side and requires a bit of muscle to maneuver. The Maxi-Cosi Pria is the perfect companion for every stage of your child's life. It's easy to switch from rear-facing, forward-facing, and booster seat modes so you can keep your child protected as they grow.